So I'm going out station for a few days. I'm going to drop by Ipoh, and then I'm going to drop by Perlis. So taking the car out station, so I'm getting them to check the car. The Alphard is spotting a little bit of a leak in the gearbox. So the gearbox has to come down for the leak to be identified. But I don't have enough time. So what they're doing is that yesterday they fill it up and to see whether there was a significant leak or the leak was very minor, and then they are going to top up the oil a little bit for the gearbox to see whether they need to top out a lot or basically check for the differential. If the differential is large, then he should not be taking this car over outstation. But if it's very small or non-existent, then it's fine. We'll just sort the problem out when I come back lah. Alright, hard at work, man. Mechanics hard at work. Alright, check that out. Wow. 怎么样 ？OK 吗？boleh?
Nanti macam itu bro.
惊到了。
看到这个洞
啊啊，正确啊！哇 ，nice！
一般没有走了。
什么？
一般店里他没有走，然后导游他就不能上了。
哦 ，OK。
再走个带啊。
还没有进啊，还没有上。Anyway, have a look at this car. This is running on 1G twin turbo. The first twin turbo engine by Toyota. 200 horses? 200 odd horses? I'm not entirely sure, I have to double check. But powerful stuff, man. This is from a Mark III Supra, because a Mark II Supra does not come with a turbo 1G engine. It comes with a turbo M engine, but not a 1G that is turbo. 1G that is turbo only comes in Mark III. Well, life is like that. You don't always get what you want. We tried to get it started, cranked, but fuel is not reaching the engine. So we will still have to troubleshoot and see what is causing the fuel from not arriving at the engine. The injector could be, fuel line could be, we shall see. Alright, signing out.